Local news for Monday, the 7th of October. Kia ora, I'm Brent Gare. Powerball wasn't struck Saturday night, but one lucky customer bought their ticket from Kiripiri Lotto and Post and was a winner, skipping $166,667. In March 2018, the Kiripiri Lotto and Post sold a $12 million ticket, and in 2009, a ticket worth $38 million. Carterton District Council is temporarily closing the intersection of Norman Ave and State Highway 2 due to ongoing safety fears. The temporary closure comes into effect following a decision by councillors in September. The Carterton elected members have been concerned for some time about the safety of State Highway 2 between Carterton and Masterton. News Hub have reported medical data of patients across Wellington, Kapiti and Wairarapa may have been breached following a cyber attack. Hackers could have accessed private GP notes as they're held by individual medical centres rather than the PHO. Anyone who is concerned or wants to know more can call the helpline on 0800 499 500. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush have held up a strong Horowhenua Kapiti comeback to win 25-20 on Saturday. They now sit second equal on points with North Otago, at just 1 point behind Thames Valley. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.